I go on YouTube.
Hello.
And welcome back to another video. It's kind of loud, so I'm going inside, but we have something special at shop for, so we are taking with it. Okay. Ooh. Alright guys, you can definitely tell what we are adding to the family. Alright, so we got recommended 3, but it's for puppies. We want the one for puppy.
No puppy this?
I think there's a small dog, just a small dog. So eventually we can go there, but we need the pedigree puppy or the Beneful puppy. Let me see, pedigree Purina or Beneful puppy. How much is it? 1.7. It's puppy? Puppy. And then let me look at the Purina, the dog chow. Them and a puppy. Oh, it's a puppy chow here. How much for that one there? 147. This is 166. And then we need Beneful. I would love to Beneful, but oh, so Henny. Oh shit! Look at Beneful people. Nice. Oh no, see the healthy puppy are 1.6. I feel like mother one gear Beneful. But also love her already. Jesus. Right. See here, 4.4 pounds. How much pounds is this? 3. This is less pounds. Alright.
Alright, so this is our lead already.
Alright.
Really serious chicken. No artificial preservatives, flavors or colors added.
Alright, what that one is?
Orange.
Ingredients. What it start with? Whole grain.
Corn.
Then chicken
byproducts, meal, corn, gluten.
Now that one alone, the healthy one start with the chicken first.
That one they sound better.
I'm gonna take my Beneful and give me dog. I'm gonna buy one mix, so we call it, one wet food and give her. Yeah, the vegans are treats. And the wet food, I tell you if you choose. Look on. I don't know, then they have puppy chow and then we can look for puppy. Yeah. So you want to take one of them there? And then you have over here some big nosa cut in a gravy. Jesus, look pan, nice eating. That one look like puppy. I like that one here. Orange, I like that one here. You like that one there? Yeah, but may I say for how long that may I say it not gonna last anytime.
Yeah, buy one.
Yeah. Alright people, so we're in a Jones. I'm gonna take up one puppy shampoo for over $2,000. I have to return it. But anyways, we're in a Jones, the dogs, and I'm going to see if we can get like a, what do you call it? A brush for her and a toy. I need a toy for her. So yeah. Yeah, let's go to the toy section. Yeah, see some toys here. These are like cat food. But here the dog. Let me see. Honestly guys, some of the things that we'll get away with. No man, Shopper's Fair have it cheaper. $426 for it. So you know where I'm gonna shop for her things. But see some toys over here, but they're so far. Oh guys, see teeth in shampoo there, but at least Ortis have the price. 1.8, basically the same before tax. But the shampoo, don't want Jones have some things more expensive, man. Cause no, see here, red dog line there. It's a little bit more expensive, don't it? Cause about 6. How much would it? No, see there the oatmeal there, 1,503. Oh yeah, they have the balls. Oh, see some of my doggy toys them here too. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can find something, guys.
So you can't cast in them.
For the 4 corners, them are built up. Fine, babe.
corner casting.
Mm-hmm.
A concrete.
Right, him done him corner casting as he calls it.
There's an assay. Cut down.
People love this. Look on my doggy door. She all have patio. My girl have look lounge area right there, so if step up in her look at sing. What? I lie tell. Over dog. Yes, I love it. My girl have patio, she can lounge in the front. I know you also look out. Hello.
You know, like when I put her out and take me out. Come out and play.
Wednesday method from no, you can't come disrespect your father.
You know how this is? Come out!
Exactly, you know how this make. Oh, it look nice, though. I love it. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, can't
Smooth out the air bubbles, but Orion put a big nasty crease in it, something.
no crease on there, the tape on there. I can't do
Oh. Well, it's not as smooth as butter, but it's gonna look better than cardboard. Guys, I love this so much. Orion did such a great job. You don't understand how much I love this. Like, we lined inside of it to kind of make, well, I don't want to say waterproof, but waterproof is basically what we're aiming for in a sense. He did 2 linings of that paper, and of course I'm going to pad it with like towel, blankets, old clothes, whatever I have that I don't care about getting spoiled. But this is what we're going to work with for the first I don't know however long this can last until I'm able to actually buy the bed. As I was saying in the beginning of the video, it was advised that basically we use old blankets and these stuff that we don't mind getting damaged, because in a puppy, she's gonna piss, bite up, and all them something up on the bed to save your money. So this is what we're doing. We got a free box and we had everything else basically at home. So it is 7:40 a.m. Wednesday is supposed to be delivered today. If things are as so I expect, I hope she's able to come today. So I've already started this one by check. I've been the company that I bought her through, like, I love them. They gave so much information, guides, tips, presentations, pamphlets, documents. They give a lot of things for me to kind of read and have an idea of what to expect and some of the things I can do to help train her and those stuff. So one of the things were to kind of get things out of reach, of course, that you don't want to damage or she chewing on. Of course, shoes and them stuff never take up, but I've already kind of did some of the checks. They like say go on your hands on your knees. That was I did it unexpectedly. Then when I realized that I don't mother sit to just continue, and there was nothing much. There was just at my little hair corner right there, there were like 2 right there. There were like 2 pins on the floor, so I took that up. But there's the section where the TV is, where the cable box and one bag of wire. Them say if you get like PVC covering all them, none of them something there. So what I want to do is to just basically take the cords and the extension cords off the ground and see if I can put them on top of the top shelf. It's having from now shelf dusty, but I probably should clean it out first. Yeah, and I cleaned out the dusty shelf. Then I'm gonna move some of the things. I found a few things that could have been thrown away as well, so I'm gonna do that. Old charger, old remote that doesn't work. I don't know where it though. Remote work? I probably not show the remote, but maybe I show the charger for sure, because I had to buy a new one. So I'm gonna get into that. I don't think there's anything else I necessarily need to do to get ready for her. I mean, there's a lot of things that I still probably need to buy, but the Portmore store, them pet store, them, they really have nothing. No, they don't want. The least ones them I basically supermarket my gut, but still, like, the pet section them not going with that much. The only other pet store I know about is something named City something. I never get to go. They closed at 6. I wasn't able to make it. Probably I can try today, tomorrow. I don't know. Probably can try before we go. The store is in Kingston Saturday, but that is what yeah, I never get that much. So I'm going to just do those things. I think those are the last things I need to do specifically for her. And then I have like a week I'm working on that I want to get done so I can put it out of her way before she gets there. Whereas, you know, she come new place, she need attention. It kind of still looks like the mess that it was down there, but it's out of the way. So it will work for now. Okay guys, so you can see that I got that text message saying that, you know, she's at the groomer and that they update me when they're on their way. So it definitely seems like I'm going to get her today. Yes people, yeah, excitement. Okay guys, so we got a call about what, 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, about 10. I don't know, about some minutes ago. Why are you not be frightened, right? Yeah, saying that they have her little munchkin. That's what her exact word. And they should be here in 15 to 20 minutes. So basically they are wait. I'm gonna take out kind of my week things. I'm gonna take out the stand, the week canvas head block and wig I was working on already. Lock that up in one room. And basically me and Orin is eating right before she reach. Them tell her to take out some water and look for food for her because the place is hot. That is exactly what I did as well. So I eat full food before she come and take all of your attention, right? Right. Who's here, guys? Wednesday. But guys, me can't believe it. Not 5 minutes good. A Wednesday piss up the floor. You see right there, so right even closer to the door. My girl go and piss. And people 5 minutes good, you have to clean up. But you know, she's really like, she's scared. The place is new to her. She's trying to get used to things. Trying to make her know that's her little bed for now until I buy her a posh one. I'm not buy her a posh one until she potty train. Cause this girl piss up a floor. Oh well. She maga. Yeah, the fur, especially in the picture, it made her look so big, but she's small. She should get joked to the two, you know, guys. Should I drink the water? With her hand. Yeah, she's finally drinking. Oh, Wednesday, baby, be so nice. Yeah, finally. I guess she get a little bit more comfortable. So she can eat too. I'm gonna buy her a posh thing them eventually, guys. You know, this until we can get to go Kingston. I tell her go for your mango. The mango is what she like. Ah, so she sit down there in her bed. Oh, oh, look how sweet thing. I threw them juke her up today. Now she get her first shot them to them. With our bed. Wednesday, if you ever go piss. Oh yeah, sit down. Okay. Okay, this is fine. She loves the mango. I have more for you. Should I done it?
We don't have any more.
No, not more mango for her. I have mango them on the tree green. That it alone she I eat. Come down. And the last piece.
Look out the dish. That's the best we can do for you.
That's the best we can do for you. Look out the dish. She licked my finger instead. Oh, she licked it out for you. Ain't got none. See the finish here.
It done, mama, it done.
Oh God, Wednesday. You could cold mango anyone? Alright. Come here, Jesse. The way though.
Mommy, come. Come.
If I teach her, you want to teach her how to sit now? You can continue with come, we're not a killer. Yeah.
Come.
Yeah. She finished.
Come. Step 1 is complete. Well, like she never wanted. I'm a happy dog. That's a happy dog. You know, I play with when I tired. You know what to do with there.
Alright, we'll take it our first part. Watch it. Look at Wednesday taking it like a champ. A long time you want to bathe, don't it, darling? Finally get your shampoo to bathe you off. Watch her. Look at her. Alright, living life. She don't mind it at all, you know. It's so come out Wednesday. You know wash her head, if you wash her head.
Yeah, but we don't make the water just
Oh, orange. Something there.
More white Wednesday. I thought it was black.